Good morning class and welcome to your science revision class, and today's date is 8 January 2021. Okay student, and today's revision work is based on chapter 8, 9 and 10. All chapters are included now because your exam is coming now. Okay student, this is the revision work of these chapters. Okay, your exam is MCQ type questions. So we are doing now some extra questions that is based on MCQs. Let's start students. First question is, question number 1 is, first I mention now the questions, after that I explain their answers. Okay. So everyone write your questions with me. Okay. First A, take the correct options. Okay. First is always walk. Always walk on the dash. A is zebra crossing. Students, in exam, pay attention on your options. Okay, footpath, and C1 is middle of the road. Middle of the road, and D is right side of the road. Right side of the road. Okay, this question is complete. Then move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, we should fly a kite on the dash. A, road. B, playground. C is terrace. And D is balcony. Okay. Then move to the third question. Third question is, everyone write now, students. Third question is main source of water on the earth is. It's a easy question, students. Yes na? A, rain. B, river. C, ocean. And D is pond. Okay, first I am going to solve these 3 questions. After that, writing another questions. Okay, because this board is short now. Okay, then come to the first question. Always walk on the. Students, pay attention this question. Always walk on the dash zebra crossing, footpath, middle of the road, right side of the road. What is the right answer? Always, when we are walking now, always we walk now on the footpath. Okay, and when we cross the road, that is zebra crossing. Okay, that's why your B option will here right. Always walk on the footpath. Okay, then move to the question number 2. This one is wrong. Then we should fly a kite on the road. No, this is very dangerous. Terrace, maybe you fall now. That's why this one is wrong. Balcony, no. This is not proper open place. Okay, and your kite is not flying very well. That's why the right answer should here is, according to their options, we should fly a kite on the playground. Your B option will here correct. Okay, student. Then move to the third question. Third question is, main source of water on the earth is ocean? No. Pond? No. It is a very large body, but it is not the main source of water because the ocean water is a salty water. That's why we are not using this water. Pond? Pond is a place that is surrounded by the land. Very short water resources. Okay. River? No. The main source of water on the earth is rain. And rain fulfill these water bodies. Okay, that's why the right option will here A, rain. Okay, student. Then everyone complete this work. Then move to the student next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is on cooling water changes into dash. Okay, the option will here is A, stream, B, ice. Maybe options are changed now their places. Okay, so everyone pay attention in your options. Okay, and then D is droplets. Number 5 is we should not play with dash. Okay, first is balls, B is soft toys, C is knives, and D is Ludo. Okay, then move to question number 6. Question number 6 is all living things need air to dash. A, drink, B, breathe, C, smell, D for food. Okay, these are next 3 questions. Then solve these questions. First is on cooling water changes into dash. Option will here A, steam, B, ice, C, smoke, D, droplets. On cooling, when we are cooling down water, then water change into a ice. Okay, your B option will here correct. Steam, it means when we are heating now water, that time the water change into steam and water vapor. And smoke, it is a gaseous form. Okay, that's why your this according to this question answer B is here ice. Droplets, it means here is a water and droplet it is a liquid form. Okay, same position, that's why your option B will here correct. Okay, fifth question is we should not play with dash. Option A, balls, B, soft toys, C, knives, D, Ludo. It means according to question, pay attention here. We should not play with. It means which one is a dangerous for us. So we are not playing with balls. No, we are. If you are playing with ball, you are safe now. Soft toys that are favorite. Ludo, it is also safe. And knife it is a dangerous. Okay, maybe some accidents are occur now, your finger is cut down. That's why your right option will here C. We should not play with knives. Okay. Then move to question number 6. All living things need air to dash. A, drink. B, breathe. Here is E missing. Breathe. C is smell and D is food. Okay, all living things need air too. Drink. We should drink water 8 to 10 glass every day. So that's why wrong. Smell. We cannot smell air. Food. We eat air. No. The right option will here is all living things need air to breathe. Your B option will here right, and without air we cannot survive it, because in air the oxygen gas is present and that gas is our life supporting gas. Without oxygen we can't live. Okay, all living things we can't, all living things not survive. Okay, that's your B option will here correct. Question number 10. Question number 10 is which of these is which of these is not a property. Property means quality. Okay, here property of air. In this sentence, property means quality, not a money. Okay, students. A, air has weight. Air has weight. Air can be seen. C, air fills up space. And number D is air gives shape to things. Okay, 11 number question is, next is strong winds causes a dash. A, air. B, breeze. C, storm. D, none of these. Okay, next question, according to your book, when you are in a boat, which type of precaution we have to take now? B, seated calmly. B is jump around. Then C is run fast. And number D is fight with others. Okay, then move to the explanation of this question. The next question is, which of these is not a property of air? Is not, pay attention this word. It means this is the not property of air. Is not, pay attention this word. It means this, according to this sentence, it is a not property of air. Which one is incorrect sentence? You have to choose now. Air has weight. Yes, this one is right. Air can be seen. You can be seen air? No, we can't see the air. That's why wrong sentence is this. Okay? And air fills space. Yes, when we are filling now balloon, the balloon size is bigger now. Yes or no? It means air fill the space. And next is air gives shape to things. Yes. Just I told you. When we are filling now too much air in a balloon, it means that time the balloon is very big, and when we are filling now some small air in a balloon, that time the balloon size is very small. It means it affects the shape of air, affect the shape of things, it fills space, and it has weight. Three sentences are correct and this one is wrong. We cannot see the air. That's why B option will here correct. And students, right now your number, this is 7 question, not a 10. Okay, then move to the next question. Question number 8 is strong wind causes a. Strong, this word, pay attention, is strong wind. Strong winds causes a. It means air, no breeze. It is a very gentle wind. None of these. This is wrong. Strong wind causes, when the wind is blowing very fast, that causes storm. C option will here correct. Okay. Then move to question number 9. According to question, when you are in a boat, it means when you are boating now, that time which type of precaution we have to do now? We have to follow now which type of first is be seated calmly, be jump around. No, because when you are in a boat, around your boat there is a too much of water, that is dangerous for you. Run fast in a boat, you can run. No, that is not good for you. And fight with others, no, it's a very dangerous for you. So when you are in a boat, always you be seated calmly. Your A option will here correct. Okay. So everyone, student, choose this type of questions. Right. Color means. Okay. First A is go. B is stop. C wait. And D is none of these. None of these. Question number 10. Question number 11 is. Question number 11 is dash can make us sick. A jumps. Animal breathe in. Okay. First is oxygen gas. B is water vapors. C is smoke. And D is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay, friends. Then come to the question number 10. In traffic light, red color means. What is the meaning of red color? Go, stop, wait, none of these. It is a very easy question and you all give the answer. The red color light means to stop. It means you have to stop now. That is danger for you when you are crossing a road. Okay, this one is stop. 11 number question is dash can make us sick. Which one is dangerous for us and can make us sick? First germs, B pure air, C both. Both means A and B, both options. Means both are the reason for make us sick. C and D is none of these. It means none of these means A, B, C. All are wrong. So which one is correct? Both. This one is wrong. None of these. This is also pure air. It is good for our health. Okay, this one is wrong. And your right option will here is can make us sick. Germs can make us sick. A option will here correct. Okay, student. And you have to choose now. You have to click now in your exam correct options. Which one is correct? In all options, which one is correct? You have to click now that option. Okay, then move to the next last questions in today's revision class. Question is animal breathe in dash animal. Animals are also living things. There is no confusion. And all living things, when they are breathing now, they take now oxygen gas. That's why your right option will here oxygen gas. Okay. Water vapor wrong. Smoke is wrong. And carbon dioxide, this one is wrong. And this gas plants use to making their food due to the photosynthesis. Okay, student, I hope all of you do this work very carefully in your copy and all questions are clear now. Okay, students, and you practice more and more this type of MCQ type of questions for your exam from your book from chapter 8 to chapter 10. Okay, students, till then, have a nice day and best of luck for your exam.